What's up, everybody? This is Danny from Valo Solutions. Today we have a 2011 Ford F-250 Power Stroke Diesel. Customer came in to us because he actually went to a couple other shops and couldn't get a remote start installed. Well, came to the right place. What we did is a Viper 4105 keyless entry and remote start. Now the big thing why these other companies couldn't get it is because this customer has clone keys. The clone keys is not, how do you say, well, it's definitely, the bypasses do not like these clone keys. Brought it here, we were able to figure it out, we were able to get around it. Took us some time, obviously you can see it's pretty dark out. But yep, we did get it working, and we got lock. We got unlock there. And we got remote start. And that's on a 5-second delay. Give it a second and see it start. There you go. It's gonna run for 20 full minutes. After that, it automatically turns itself off. And yeah, love doing diesels, semis. You know, like I said, all these big diesels as well. We're definitely pretty good at these. So hey, give us a call, 708-538-8008. Visit our website, valosolutions.com. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.